Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on Samsung Galaxy M33. And to do this you'll need to launch the RAR app. I've shown you previously on how to download it. Here find the files that you want to pack, select the file, click on this plus button, you'll enter archiving options. You can change any options right here. And I'm just gonna pick a different name as there's no need to change these mentioned options to create a simple RAR file. Click on OK when it's ready, and here we just made our first RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.